Yeah, I've already modified it. What I do is I take the standard VW switch and cut the arm off, graft in, and make a little aluminum block in there. And then what I do is I put the hub or part of the switch in the drill. Guide hole started. And I do a couple of little step drill in it. Now I get an arm. This is the arm I make. I make a little turned in that holds a little momentary switch. And I press fit it into the aluminum. And then I put a slight bend in it to clear the dashboard. And this step is done. There's the new arm, and it has a little momentary switch, and the wires go down the tube.
Okay, good.
I do the switches, and I convert the switches in batches of 6. Another step I do is I make a little bit of clearance for the wires that come down from the momentary switch in the end of the stock. Make sure that they have room to move around. So I mill a little bit of a slot in here. There's a little wire room. These are the momentary switches that go in the stock. I have to heat shrink in so the contacts are sealed. After I heat shrink the wires, and I thread them into the ends and thread it in. This is just one of the many steps for converting the switches.
The Western Front is moving again, and the Soviets are deep inside Nazi Germany.
Okay.
So, at March, he starts to distance himself from the policy of city bombing.
Another one done.
It's almost gets like torn over the...
I finish pressing the new arm in and putting the wire in. Then I reassemble the two halves. And then this is what you end up with. This is the new switch with the straight arm that gives you a very low profile, so it keeps the steering wheel very close and away from your chest on the Factory 5. This is how it starts out. This is how it ends up. Okay, one of the things I do is on my turn signal system is I have the customer send me the Factory 5 steering wheel boss or hub, as I call it. And then I take a part that I machine and put them together and form this part, which I machine in the self-canceling tabs and turn everything down so it's nice, and then I'll take and polish it next. Here's what the whole system is. I test the continuity and the functionality, and this is the system, the finished system for the Mark IV Factory 5 Cobra, and also for the coupes. The coupes are a little bit different, but they're very similar. Finished system.